Continuing from the previous tutorial on converting floor plans to isometric views, we will continue to explain how to render content starting from orthographic views up to scene renderings. First, log into the website. Select Image Editing. Then upload the image and click Edit. Use the brush to draw the desired viewing angle. Then click Confirm. It is best to choose GPT image to here. The generated results will be quite refined. Then we can obtain renderings for various scenarios. Let's take a look at the generated images. Next, we have two methods to convert scene graphs into grid-based images. The first type, drag the image into the photo frame in the newly generated area. Select Preset Prompts, then select Image Perspective Transformation. Select the 3x3 grid, then select the desired Smart Channel. Click Generate. The second method is suitable for users who do not have a scene graph generated. On the initial page, select Image Editing, then select Image Perspective Transformation, then drag and drop the image from the isometric view. It can also generate scenario analysis charts. How can we further deepen this process moving forward? Still choose Image Editing. Then upload the generated scene map. Enter the following prompt to have you provided. Then select the GPT image to Intelligent Channel, then click Generate to obtain the corresponding display board image. It can be used for reporting or presentations. If you like it, just like, follow, and leave a comment to get the prompt text.